Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Olochukwu here. So today is for cornrow. If you want to level up your cornrow game, let's say you can do cornrow, but when you're done, you don't get what you want. If I'm describing you, it means this video is for you and you want to watch till the end. So the first step is to make sure that your hair is moisturized. I think I've said that a lot of times. If you have been watching my channel, you know that I always start with make sure that your hair is moisturized. That's because this step, it cannot be omitted, especially when you have 4C and you're trying to do your hair by yourself. It just makes the work easy. I use shea butter and shea butter to make sure that it's soft and smooth enough for me to work with. Step 2 is to make sure that your hair is detangled. You don't want to start detangling your hair when you're already in the braiding process. You want to make sure that your hair is combed and as detangled as possible. The third step is to get a good cut. When I mean a good cut, I mean a good pattern. If your pattern is straight, it's a core determinant of whether your hair is going to be neat. I understand that that can be hard, especially when you're trying to make your hair by yourself. I usually have a mirror in front and behind. That way I can see my head. I can see the back of my head. It's not like you can see your head. You can see the back of your head through the mirror. Just make sure that your pattern is not in the, like your other hair is not in the way, so that you don't pick hairs that you don't want to pick when you're already braiding. I already have a video on how to cornrow your hair by yourself. So if you have not learned how to cornrow your hair, you want to watch that video. As you braid, you take small portion. The hair will not be neat when you pack too much. You just want to take small portion as you go. Number 6 and 7, stay as close to your scalp as possible. When you're not close to your scalp, you're giving room for space between the braid and the root of your hair. So, and to do that, you limit your braiding to these 3 fingers. It just reduces the distance of your roots. This is what I've been saying. So I usually spray water. I use my rat tail comb to get a clear cut, of course with the help of my mirror in front and behind me. Also make sure that my hair is moisturized, detangled, and I've taken the other parts of my hair out of the way so that I will not pick it when I don't want to pick it. I start braiding with 2 hands, my pointing finger and my middle finger with my thumb. So this way the distance between my hair and my scalp is reduced. This will help your braid to be very tight at the end of the day. You just keep taking small portion. I only take small behind. It's almost like I'm not taking anything. Keep doing that till you reach the end of your braid, and that's all that you have to do. So doing the exact opposite, my pattern is not smooth. Although this hair is combed already, I still need to detangle it, and I didn't do that. So you find me detangling while braiding. I'm starting with 3 big chunks. Also, I am taking much hair as I'm going. I'm taking much hair, which is not good if you want the hair to be tight. I'm using more than 3 of my hands, and it's increasing the distance between my scalp and the hair. Comparing the two, you can see the 2 things are different. One is tight enough and the other one is almost lifting. More like you can put your hands in between and pass to the other side. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.